How much power does an electric gun-safe dehumidifier use? Have you ever wondered how much energy an electric gun-safe dehumidifier consumes? These handy devices are essential for keeping your firearms and valuables safe from moisture. Let's break down the facts to give you a clear picture. Electric gun-safe dehumidifiers, often referred to as dehumidifier rods, are designed to maintain a dry environment inside your safe. They are particularly popular among shooting, hunting, and archery enthusiasts. The goal is to prevent rust and moisture damage, which can be detrimental to your equipment. Most of these electric dehumidifier rods operate at 120 volts and typically draw between 12 and 24 watts of power. For instance, a standard 12-inch dehumidifier rod usually consumes about 12 watts. If you opt for longer models designed for larger safes, they may use slightly more power, but they generally stay within that low range. To put this into perspective, consider a 12-watt dehumidifier rod running continuously for an entire month. It will use approximately 9 kilowatt-hours of electricity. At the average residential electricity rates, this translates to a monthly cost of less than $1 for most users. That is quite economical, especially when you think about the protection it offers for your valuable firearms. Many in the shooting and hunting communities prefer electric dehumidifier rods because they provide consistent moisture protection without the need for frequent maintenance. Unlike desiccant packs or silica gel, which need to be replaced regularly, these electric rods are low maintenance and efficient for long-term use. In summary, electric gun-safe dehumidifiers are designed to use very little power, typically around 12 watts for standard models. Their low energy consumption makes them an affordable and effective solution for keeping your shooting and hunting gear safe from moisture and rust. So, if you are considering one for your gun safe, you can rest easy knowing it won't significantly impact your electricity bill while providing essential protection.